hard breaks is just cry and move on. I mean that's what you can do actually, because you cannot force the other person to be in relationship with you. What's up guys, Bilal Ansari here, and today is a different kind of video that I will be making. Today will be Q&A, question and answer video basically. So as you guys know, a few days ago I asked you guys to ask me any kind of questions related to me or related to fitness. So I've selected some questions and I'll be answering them today. Alright guys, so let's start today's video. Alright, so let's go on to the question number 1. So question number 1 is, what would you recommend for a quick 20 to 30 minutes workout? So first of all, it depends on your fitness goal, whatever your fitness goal is. If your fitness goal is to lose fat and just maintain your health and general fitness, then you can do kind of a circuit workout. If your goal is just fat loss or general fitness, you just want to stay fit and healthy, so you can just do circuit workouts. I've made 2 videos on the same topic, a full body circuit workout, so make sure to check them out. Alright, so that is it for 20 to 30 minutes workout. So question number 2 is how to learn pistol squats and pull-ups and their progressions. So pistol squat and pull-up are like basic to intermediate level exercise in calisthenics. So I've made short tutorial on progressions and also pull-ups, because I don't really have a place to shoot because it's locked down everywhere. So I think I'll just show you guys my previous videos, the progressions of pull-ups. Alright, so that is it for question number 2, and now let's move on to question number 3. Question number 3 is how to handle depression and heartbreaks. Alright, so first things first, how to handle depression. So what you have to do is you have to talk to your close ones. So whoever is close to you, it can be your friends, it can be your brother or sister, cousins, or parents, whomever it is, whatever it is, you can just talk to them and share whatever it is in your heart. Okay, so the second thing is you have to talk to yourself. You have to try to figure out what's wrong and why it is happening and how you can get over this depression. And third thing, you have to take a break from work, from whatever your work is. If you're working, you can just take a break, just a week of break of something. Or if you're studying, just take a break. I mean, nobody's studying right now because everyone is at their home quarantine. So just take a break from your work and all the stressful things. Just spend more time with your family. And the fourth thing is do what you love, do what makes you happy. So basically all these little things, even those things can make you happy, like going for a ride. Right now it is very difficult because of this coronavirus, but yeah, you can just talk to your friends on phone or maybe FaceTime them. Just go on your terrace or open air somewhere, open where you feel the fresh air, or just try something new like drawing, painting, or just try new games, or read a book maybe, or just play a sport, or just anything new which you mostly don't do. So yeah, that is it for how to handle depressions. These are like little things which really matters. So now let's talk about heartbreak. Heartbreaks is just cry and move on. I mean that's what you can do actually, because you cannot force the other person to be in relationship with you. You gotta move on. I know it hurts, but you gotta value yourself over anything. You gotta have that self-respect for yourself, and work on yourself for yourself, to achieve greater things in life. Use this as a fuel, use this as a motivation to achieve your dreams. Alright, so that is how I mean I don't really have experience in this kind of heartbreaks and all that stuff, but I'm just telling whatever I feel like. I might not be the best person for this question. Alright, so now let's move on to the question number 4. This question has been asked by 3 different people, and this is like, when did you start your fitness journey? भाई आपकी fitness journey कब से start हुई, and how long are you into calisthenics? First things first, this is an awesome question because it's about me. So starting back from the days when I was in school, I used to be in sports. I used to play a lot of sports. I used to be champion at running race, athletics, the same thing. So basically 100 meters, 400 meters, sprints. I used to be like champion at this thing, and I used to play shot put, I used to play kho also, and I used to play cricket also. So all these were like my favorite sport. I had been athletic all my life almost. Okay, and then I started dancing. Ever since then I've been engaged in some of the other cultural and physical activities. That's how most of the things got built up. I learned pistol squats when I was doing a dance step. That's how my leg, one of my left leg mostly got stronger, just because of that one step. The pistol squat was so much easier for me than compared to other people. And I used to do a lot of push-ups back then itself. I used to do easily, like even in school I used to do like 30-40 push-ups. But all this was just for fun, just for being athletic and all that stuff. But actually I started calisthenics 3 years ago. When I started calisthenics, I could almost do like more than 15 different kind of push-ups. I could do diamond push-ups easily, I could do pike push-ups, I could do handstand push-ups. I mean, wall handstand push-ups, not the actual handstand push-ups. And I used to be like so scared of handstand itself. So it's been like 3 years, almost 3 years. It's not like 3 years has not been completed, but it's almost been 3 years since I seriously started calisthenics and bodybuilding. So yeah, I think that answers the question. So best thing a beginner can do is focus on compound movements, exercise which has more than 2 joint movements included, like for example push-ups, pull-ups, dips, squats. And I would definitely recommend someone who's like beginner, I would definitely recommend you guys to do calisthenics only. I mean, if you want, you can add weights as well for isolation movements like bicep curls and side delt raises, but it's better to go fully body weight in the beginning. So that is my advice or something for beginners. Alright, so now let's move on to the next question, which is how to get initial motivation and momentum to start in first 2 or 3 months. Alright, let's take a break. Right, so first things first, you need to ask yourself, what is your fitness goal? What is your dream? What is your motivation for working out? So first thing, clarify that with yourself. Okay, talk to yourself. Do you admire someone's physique? It can be a fitness model, it can be a actor. You have to decide what kind of body you want, or what is your fitness goal. Is it like fat loss only? Is it like being athletic? Is it being faster? Is it being muscular? So you need to ask yourself that. So once you're done with this, you have to plan your way up. It's definitely not easy. It's gonna take a lot of time. You need to be consistent first of all. You need to have like a lot of patience. Don't just quit in a week or two. More than diet and workout, people need to focus on being patient and consistent first, because consistency is the key. Try to make a diet plan and workout plan for yourself. It doesn't have to be perfect and complicated in the beginning. You just have to start it. So just start it in the beginning. Just go for it. So workout routine, you just have to just add basic stuff like push-ups, pull-ups, dips, squats, as I already told you like 1,000 times in my videos. After you're done with this thing, you need to surround yourself with motivation and stick to the goal. Always keep reminding yourself about the goal. Watch videos of crazy sick athletes on YouTube. Follow them on Instagram. Watch their stories regularly. Just try to motivate yourself and always remind yourself about your dream physique. Try to get to know more about diet and training. And to reduce all this work, you can just hire a coach. A good coach not only reduces your work, he does not just give you workout routine and diet charts and stuff, but he also motivates you and keep track of you every single time. So you can hire a good coach to reduce the work. With that said, keep 2 things in your mind. So first thing is hard work and discipline, and second thing is patience and consistent. Like I just told you guys, being patient is like really important in this thing, and being consistent is like even more important thing in achieving your fitness goal. Alright, so now let's move on to the question number 9. Question number 9 is, which exercise is best to burn fat and lower back fat? Alright guys, so I'm gonna say a really important thing in this video. There's a myth going around like you can target a particular body parts and reduce fat like thigh fats or belly fat or lower back fat or arms fat. All these things, guys, let me tell you one thing. Fat reduces overall. Okay, first it starts with your other body parts except for your this region. This region is like your core region, is like the core and your hip. Okay, so these are the regions which loses fat in the last. So first you have to reduce your overall body fat percentage, and then you can reduce your belly fat or lower back fat. And the exercises, all of these exercises are burning calories. All of these exercises are good. There's not really exercise specifically targeting fat loss. It's just that you have to burn a lot of calories, high intensity, and you also need to lift weights. Don't forget to lift weights. I've seen a lot of people who just do cardio in the name of fat loss. Guys, fat loss happens, you need to also have cardio, plus you need to have resistance training in that. And more than exercise, what really matters is your diet. Guys, diet, focus on your diet. Workout part comes later. So yeah, first fix your diet and then work out, and eventually you'll lose fat. Alright, so now let's move on to the question number 10. क्या स्किनी लोग लेग्स और एब्स वर्कआउट कर सकते हैं? भाई क्यों नहीं कर सकते? Are these people, I mean, they don't have muscle or something? What is the logic and what is the science behind skinny people cannot do leg workout or ab workout? This is just another myth, guys. If it is a muscle, it needs to be trained. Write it down, write it down, write it down. If it is a muscle, it needs to be trained. That's it. It doesn't matter if you're fat or thin. It doesn't matter. Even ab is a muscle, even tricep is a muscle, even bicep, chest, everything is a muscle, and everything needs to be trained in order to have a balanced physique. Everybody got the same muscle, so if you're not doing leg workout, you might be having a lot of problems in future. You might be having a lot of imbalances. You might not know right now. So I would definitely recommend work out all the muscles in your body, because you definitely don't want that muscle imbalances. Alright guys, so that was the video. It was a really fun Q&A today, guys. So thanks for watching the video. I hope I have answered all the questions properly. I hope you guys got your answer, and yeah, definitely I'll be making another Q&A video, because it's really fun, to not just talk about another how-to tutorial video or Science Saturday video. And you guys also know that I've not made a video since more than 100 days. It's been more than 3 months. So yeah, actually guys, I want to tell you another thing. I've been working on a project. It's been like a sick, crazy project, but it required a lot of work. But yes, now it's like almost done. So maybe until the next video, or maybe until the next 2 videos, I'm gonna be announcing it, live. So yeah. So right now I'm gonna keep it secret. I've been, hinting about these things like for a few months now on Instagram. So I'm gonna be revealing the actual thing, the final thing, in the next video or the next 2 videos. In the next 2 videos, I'm definitely gonna say what exactly it is. And yeah, I'm like super excited for this thing. Alright guys, so thanks for watching. Do like the video if you liked it, and subscribe. Do share it with your friends. Till then, keep smiling, and see you in the next video. So here are some pull-up progressions from my old videos. I didn't shoot new videos because the parks are closed due to coronavirus, and it's going to be hard. So maybe in the future I'll make a better pull-up how to pull-up video. For now, let's just go through 3 important pull-up progressions.